We've got shit rats ate into some of the injector wires. That Torx bolt right there, it's a real pain in the tuchus. I just ended up using a 1/4 wrench and a little Torx bit to get it off. Well, the top half of the intake's off now, so we're going to pull the fuel line, disconnect the manifolds, and then it'll be ready to pull. Just for YouTube's sake, the music in the background is not my own. Also, I went ahead and, if I can reach them, all the little, I think it's the, I'm not sure, there's three sensors that we're going to short with 75 ohm resistors. I just tag them, make sure I don't, do anything wrong with them. Really, that's it. Apart from the mice just eating those ignition wires, the injector wires, and O2 sensor, there's no telling what they got into. Hopefully there's really nothing else that I can see. It really looks like about it. Next video should be us pulling it out and starting to tear down proper, and then a rebuild. You can see all of the EGR stuff and the emission stuff in the back. That's going to all disappear, and I've got an idea on plugging those two ports in the back, and it should be relatively easy. I'm actually thinking about just tapping them now. It's nasty. I shouldn't have let it sit so long. But we're making progress now. Alright, that's going to be it for this segment. Until next time, adios.